General for me, know some pop up over here and see man them from the handkerchief gang, you know. Over there. 'Cause my brother always a tell me say to come out of badness, you know. So I don't know if them want. No fam. Your brother tell you to testify in a court. So them get him out. So how you mean them get him out? The same handcuff gang you get yourself in a trouble for kill your brother fam. A lie you tell. Just make me left from out here. Madan, me get out the brother, you know. That is it. I can count for you. You see, make you know the next move when the time is right. You can go do nothing. We call you. You see. No say 40, 39 good. Like how you get released from jail. You ready for lock him up for your brother and the handcuff. I'm ready. I'm ready for you to lock him up. I know say from I see them the uniform, they are big unit, you know. So I can't waste out for no time and energy. Yeah man around the same day. So forward I could go film. Officer see me. All right over here, so no problem. Ross, not really feeling. Or after 2 years you come out. Not 25 to life you get. Just now worry yourself, man. I know me alone come. AKA CEO of the Handkerchief Gang. You are under arrest for the killing of his brother and also robbery. Come with us. John, I just said to me after me take you up in my gang, you set me up. Georgia. Yes, because you get up, my brother. Trim tell me for go testify in a court. The Bible said not trust not even your own. Me glad you know.